My favorite part about this double-sided sticky tape is it's versatile indoors or out. I really wanted to hang this battery pack on the back of our mailbox, and I needed something durable and water resistant. This is a clear 1-inch wide tape, 120 inches long, and it's so easy to cut. You can cut it to whatever length you like, which I really appreciate. And I found that 1-inch squares are very sufficient for what I'm looking to do. After cutting tape to the desired length, you simply put it on the back of anything you'd like to hang. And then there is one more protective piece of plastic that you do need to remove. And once that protective film is off, you can hang it in any surface that you desire. Directions say it works on paint, wood, tile, glass, and metal. So this is a metal, and I'm giving it a go here, just pushing a little bit of pressure, and it stays put rain or shine. There are micro-absorbent little holes, and it's pressure sensitive, so it creates this little vacuum bond that's even stronger than a screw or shelf. Stays on, but then it doesn't leave a residue peeling off. Here I'm going to take another 1-inch piece and put it in the front so that I can hang the other end of these Halloween chains to the front of our mailbox. It's strong enough to hold, but it won't damage it. And the wild thing is I can wash it and dry it and use it again and again. It's great for these smooth surfaces or textured surfaces. And because it's prepared for water, you don't have to worry about it raining outside. So overall, it's kind of a game changer. Strong, reusable, great on any surface, doesn't leave a residue when you take it off, even holds a full battery pack, can get wet and rewash. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If it was helpful, please give it a like.